but I'm gonna miss you. But no choice, I need to go to Vancouver. But I'm still here watching you. And I want to go to victory to you. And you have an owl in your pants. Yay! So is it in here? Oh, where is it? What? I thought you had an owl. What? What did you say? I had a blah. What? Everybody. See like this, you see? This is your skin. It belongs over under the warmth. You have ants. I see ants. Your worms. I need popcorn from my face. And this is my mom. And I'm going to this. So big. It can go on this stuff, here. And yo! Oh, my child. Yo! Listen, my
Can I see? You show me?
This is my childhood plant.
Childhood plant.
Yeah. Can I see it? I want to see in the picture. Oh, cracks. And this is my room, but I need to get it out. Okay? This is hard. Thank you, Steve. You're welcome. I got this too. Thank you. You're welcome. I got 2 childhood plants. This is my favorite one ever. Do you see it?
I do.
It's my favorite one
Ooh,
ever.
I see it.
And it's so beautiful.
Yes.
So, also, this is my favorite plant ever. Okay.
All the plants are your favorite plants ever, aren't
This
they?
is my favorite plant ever.
Oh.
So, I also like many of these. I'm going to put another one for Vancouver.
Okay, Sana, I don't think we should be plucking those flowers, Sana.
This is my favorite one.
Sana, we're going to leave the flowers on the plant. We can only touch them and smell them, okay?
These smell my favorite flower. Smell them.
Mmm.
I think I need to eat this. Give it to my sister. Oh, yeah. I'm going to mix it. That's yours. And that's yours. No more. But I need one of them to go. Here. And you come with me. You pick anyone for there. That one. So really good. No reason, but I need you so much. And you smell good, but I want to pluck one of those. Can I pluck one of those?
Which ones?
These.
I don't think we should be plucking flowers,
Why
Sana,
not?
because they need to stay on the plant.
I don't know why. Why?
Because we leave the flowers on the plants.
But why?
Because we don't want to pluck them. We
But
want to leave
these
them.
are my favorite one ever.
Okay, then that's all, okay?
Can I just have one white flower from there?
Yeah, that one's okay.
Okay. And yes, when they get small and small, when these get small, can I see, Mama? When these get small and small, we need to grow these at Vancouver. So we need to carry this.
Okay. You think you can grow them in Vancouver?
Yes, maybe
Okay.
there's space in in my garden.
Okay. We could even grow them indoors in the pot.
Mama, we're here for a long time. Maybe my snap peas in my I got in Vancouver, they're growing.
But guess what? Right now it's summer in Botswana, but it's winter in Vancouver. I think it's snowing there, so all the plants are hibernating. They're sleeping.
But
I don't think some of them are alive.
But
No, I'm sorry. The snap peas have gone. Will grow more in summer. Okay. Vancouver summer is in July, which is in the next 3, 4, 5 months.
Why? But I want to pluck
6
my
months.
snap peas. I want to.
What are those birds saying? Do you know?
I don't
Can
know.
you listen to them? What do you think they're saying?
They're saying, Sana, I miss you when we go to Vancouver.
Or they're saying, Sana, I'll miss you?
Yeah.
Oh, what do you think you should say?
I should say something.
What are you going to tell them? Tell them something.
Okay. But not with this. But
Okay.
they'll think I'm
Can you speak bird language?
I can only say tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. Now they will say tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet.
What are they saying now? And what are you saying?
I'm saying I miss you too, but I want to come to your house. Okay. Is it okay?
Come back, Sana. Sana,
This is my childhood pet.
your childhood plant.
This
Can I
is
see?
my childhood pet. This. Mama, look.
Sana, you are a child.
Wait. This. I can't see.
Because the camera's facing this way. So you can see this way.
But look. This is my childhood pet. I like it. Send it to Mom.
Send it to who?
Mom. Mom. Do you want my flower? What do you want? Okay. The way you want it. Oh, okay. Ah! Okay, so it's okay. Okay.
Shall we go there and see what they're doing? Let's go walk.
I'm still sleepy.
Okay, let's just take a short walk and we'll be back. You're sleepy?
I'm still sleepy.
Let's take a short walk, please.
I'm still sleepy.
But you were having so much fun with flowers and trees.
No, I'm still sleepy.
I don't think you're sleepy.
I'm so sleepy.
Okay, we'll take a nap.